Hey y'all, it's me, it's Nisha on the scene, and I'm about to make another lit video, Hey y'all, it's me, it's Nisha, and I'm back with another lit video. And as y'all can tell by the thumbnail and the title today, my best friend and I are making vision boards. Yes, y'all didn't expect that one. So look, we got these boards and she cut off the sides because, you know, we got real architects up in there.
Because they had these two little long things.
Right.
And it wasn't given. Never gave, so.
Okay, y'all, so. But I'm eating right now. So when I'm done eating, I'm about to start. And I'm going to show y'all what she got so far. And all that. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and put my post notification bell on so y'all notified every time your girl posts. Okay?